When I got my Yale Lock, I forgot to remove the, well, it was more just me being lazy, but I never removed the plastic protective cover, and now it's melted onto the screen top. So I'm just chiseling it away. Probably be easier using a blow dryer or something. I'm just using a little knife and chiseling it away. That's my day today. And so this is what happens when you leave the protective cover on for over a few years. It just pretty much fuses on. So this is a plastic protector that's melted onto the screen on top over here. I tried using a razor to scrape it, but I'm kind of scratching it up, so instead I'm using these tools that are plastic. Hopefully won't scrape it up too much, but I'm able to, you can see over here, I don't think I'll scratch it too much, but it's taking it off a lot quicker than any other way I can do it. The razor, I'm just not good enough to do it flat to remove it. But maybe the razor is the best option. The problem is it's leaving the sticky residue still here. So even wiping with some wet nap is not enough because there's a sticky residue still there. So I'm using a dry erase. To remove most of that residue. You can see now it's not too bad, not great, but better than before. So I'm just using this plastic tool for using opening phones to slowly chip away at it. Again, you could probably use a razor. I don't have a straight razor, so I'm using a cardboard cutter, and that's not great. So I'm just going to keep on doing this. Looks like I'm making progress. I've been at this for about 5-10 minutes now. So able to scrape away this much. I'll probably be done in another 5-10 minutes, and then my lunch break will be done. So again, you can use a little plastic pick. Probably, I'm guessing a razor would be much easier, but I don't have one lying around, so this is my alternative. Like I said before, I was using a box cutter to scrape it, but it was scratching the plastic surface. Using the plastic using this pick tool used for cell phones to separate screens, I was able to scrape it away very slowly. It took me about 10-15 minutes to scrape everything, but there's still so I'm wiping this, still some residue from the tape, wiping a little bit with some wet paper. Finally, I'm taking this what do you call it, magic eraser, and it's able to magically remove the residue. You can see it looks pretty good now. So if you don't have a nice razor around, you could use something that's plastic and not, what do you call it, sharp, and you can use it to scrape off the, what's it called, the protector that's melted on. Let's see this. Let's clean it off. Wipe it one last time. And I'll dry it off. We'll see if my wife notices a difference. Not great. It's kind of pale now. But that's all I can do. So it's easier to see now, the numbers. So it did help. Let's see if my wife notices it.